Hey little artists! Today we're going to draw a cozy little doghouse together. Step 1. Let's begin with 2 long slanted lines that meet at the top. Now add another line underneath to make the roof nice and thick. Awesome! Our doghouse already has a strong roof to keep our puppy dry on rainy days. Step 2. Now draw 2 straight lines coming down from the roof. Connect them with a rounded bottom. Great job! Now we have the walls of our little doghouse. It looks nice and cozy already. Step 3. Draw a bone shape in the middle. Perfect! That tells everyone this house belongs to a happy puppy. Step 4. Draw the door and wooden boards. Add diagonal lines across the house to make it look like wooden boards. Now let's draw a big rounded doorway. Wow! Our doghouse looks even more realistic now. Dogs have an amazing sense of smell. They can smell thousands of times better than humans. That's why some dogs help police officers, firefighters, and rescue teams. Woo!
Help me! Help me!
Step 5. Trace the outline. Now trace around the outside with a thicker line. Look how amazing it looks. Our little doghouse is finished and ready for its furry friend. Fantastic job, little artists! Today we learned how to draw a cute doghouse step by step using simple shapes. Thanks for watching! See you in the next drawing adventure!